fight the 141 and the mighty 143. The first class Scania's in the tank, the truth I'll tell to you. But time it moves along now, as you must all agree. And the boys at Scania thought the same, so they built the 143. Well, listen to the engine as he pulls out on the road. Sure, I'm heading straight for Dover with my 38-ton load. I don't care if it rains or snows, I'm as happy as can be in this turbocharged General Highline 143. 470 horsepower lies underneath your feet. Uphill or on the level, this machine just can't be beat. She has a cab that sits on her, no more backache for me, as I travelled all round Europe in this Highline 143. Well, listen to the engine as he pulls out on the road. Sure, I'm heading straight for Dover with my 38-ton load. I don't care if it rains or snows, I'm as happy as can be in this turbocharged General Highline 143.